Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is Ethics of Media. इस विषय को जानना यहाँ इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इसके आगे के वीडियो में हम विशेष तौर पर बात करेंगे एथिक्स ऑफ वेब जर्नलिज़म की। लेकिन उससे पहले हमें ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि एथिक्स क्या हैं और मीडिया के एथिक्स क्या हैं। तो इसीलिए मैंने इस वीडियो में सबसे पहले एथिक्स ऑफ मीडिया की बात की है। तो एथिक्स ऑफ मीडिया क्या है, पहले हम इसे जान लेते हैं, या फिर मीडिया एथिक्स क्या है, हम इसकी चर्चा कर लेते हैं। मीडिया एथिक्स इज़ द बेस्ट डिवीज़न ऑफ अप्लाइड एथिक्स डीलिंग विद द स्पेसिफिक इथिकल प्रिंसिपल्स एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ मीडिया इंक्लूडिंग ब्रॉडकास्ट मीडिया, फिल्म, theater, the arts, print media, and the internet. The field covers many varied and highly controversial topics, ranging from war journalism to Benetton ad campaigns. Media ethics promotes and defends values such as universal respect for life and the rule of law and legality. Media ethics defines and deals with ethical questions about how media should use texts and pictures provided by the citizens. Literature regarding the ways in which especially the internet impacts media ethics in journalism, online in scare, thereby complicating the idea for a universal code of media ethics. History of media ethics. Research and publications in the field of information ethics has been produced since the 1980s. Notable figures include and Robert Hauptmann, who focused his work especially on censorship, privacy, access to information, balance in collection development, copyright, fair use, and codes of ethics. Raphael Capurro, Barbara J. Kostrowski, and Charles Oppenheim, who wrote the article Ethics of Information Science, discussing issues as confidentiality of information, bias in information provided to clients or customers, the quality of data supplied by online vendors, etc. In the 1990s, the term information ethics began to be explored by various computer science and information departments in the United States. In the late 1990s, textbooks such as Richard Severson's The Principle of Information Ethics and Marsha Cook Woodbury's Computer and Information Ethics and Deborah G. Johnson's Computer Ethics were published. Now we discuss about areas of media ethics. Media ethics issues of moral principles and values as applied to the conduct, roles, and content of the mass media, in particular journalism, ethics and standards, and marketing ethics, also the field of study concerned with this topic. In relation to news coverage, it includes issues such as impartiality, objectivity, balance, bias, privacy, and the public interest. Impartiality, objectivity, balance, bias, privacy, and the public interest. More generally, it also includes stereotyping, taste and decency, obscenity, freedom of speech, advertising practices such as product placement, and legal issues such as defamation. On an institutional level, it includes debates over media ownership and control, commercialization, accountability, the relation of the media to the political system, issues arising from regulation and deregulation. Ethics of journalism. The ethics of journalism is one of the most well-defined branches of media ethics, primarily because it is frequently taught in School of Journalism. Journalistic ethics tend to dominate media ethics, sometimes almost to the exclusion of other areas. Topics covered by journalism ethics include news manipulation. News can manipulate and be manipulated. Governments and corporations may attempt to manipulate news media. Governments, for example, by censorship, and corporations by share ownership. The methods of journalism. The methods of manipulation and are subtle and many. Manipulation may be voluntary or involuntary. Truth may conflict with many other values. Public interest, revelation of military secrets and other sensitive government information may be contrary to the public interest, even if it is true. Privacy. Salacious details of the lives of public figures is a central content element in many media. Publication is not necessarily justified simply because the information is true. Thank you.